Mala Vikrant and Manat drama continues, and you guys, this is continuation of yesterday's episode that I did post regarding the show, especially since the introduction of this new Anirudh character and Manat's father, because obviously we soon will find out that the man is Manat's biological father together with Ashwarya, and it's just a mess. A lot of things will happen, but for now we are taking it one episode at a time. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, guys, as we jump straight into the video of today on Manat.
The episode starts with Manat saying to Vikrant that she doesn't want to fight for her rights. She's considering Shruti is her mom. She did everything for her. She doesn't know the truth till that night. The doctor informed her that she needs immediate liver transplantation, so she has to take that decision. Vikrant leaves from there. Manat thinks that he may be upset with her for not reveal the truth him. Kiran says that she hide this truth from them. She doesn't know. Whose wild sea was that? How many truths she hide from? Then Malika says that it's her fault. She chose Mannat over. Her Gagan asks her to go out. Gagan asks Aishwarya how she's feeling. Later, Roni and Neetu are in a shock. Roni asks Gagan, how will he handle this? He says that he was shocked. When he learned this truth, he couldn't accept it, but he thought about Mannat's pain at that time. Aishwarya left her to die when she was born. Vikrant asks him if Mannat revealed the truth to him earlier. He says that she informed the truth to him first. Vikrant is disappointed to hear it. Mannat says that only Gagan supported her genuinely in this house. She thanked him for his help. Everyone is shocked too. Hear that Mannat already revealed the truth to him, but he supported her. Kiran badmouthing Aishwarya there. Mannat says that everyone is raising question on a woman's character. Why no? One questioning the person who made her pregnant. He was also equal responsible for this. They are directly accusing a girl. She has to bear the consequences. She has to face the humiliation alone. No one talk about the person whom betrayed. This society is like that. They don't cares about anything but taunt the person with their questions. Shruti says that Aishwarya wasn't like that. She would have asked help to her. She was with her always. When she went to help her, she already gave birth to a child. She left her to die in that storm. She still remember that constable words. Mannat says that she may has her own reasons. Aishwarya comes there and says that she has her own reason for that. Aishwarya reveals to them that she was a bright student. She wants to help her sister. Anirudh is a goon. He has many criminal cases on his name. He proposed her many times. She rejected him. It's touched his ego. Meanwhile, Varun asks Anirudh if he revealed the truth too. Soluja, will they believe him? How will they believe him? May create him as a villain in front of everyone. Anirudh says that she can try it, but they won't believe her because she left Mannat to die when she was born. Whom will trust that? Woman, how will he prove that Mannat is her daughter? Says that he has a DNA test results. He will show it to them. She can't escape from him. She touched his ego. Meanwhile, Aishwarya says to them that she filed a case against Aniruddha, but he molested her. When she went to meet, Aishwarya says to them that she filed a case against Aniruddha, but he molested her. When she went to meet Mannat in a restaurant, she saw the goons misbehaving with her. She remembered her past. She hates Anirudh for ruined her life. She distanced herself from her sister and friends. When she tried to move on, Mannat was in her. She can't abort her. She made her heart stone and left her to die. Hates everything related to Anirudh. She apologized to Mannat for her mistake. She doesn't deserve to be her mom. Mannat apologized to her for bringing her painful memories. Gagan and Vikrant supports Aishwarya there. Vikrant stands for Aishwarya when Kiran humiliated Aishwarya. Shruti feelings guilty for misunderstood her sister. She feels ashamed for not supported her in her hard time. Vikrant consoles her. Mannat hears Aishwarya shouting her name. She rushes to check on her. Aishwarya says that he's coming back to take revenge on her. He wants to betray her. Aishwarya instigates Mannat against her father. Mannat assures her that everyone is with her. They will protect her. We can support her. Meanwhile, Gagan says to Soluja family that he misunderstood Aishwarya as a cunning woman. Her all activities made him hate her. He wasn't unaware of her pain. She was pretending to be evil and hiding her pain from them. She was trying to hide her past from them. It's really hard to understand a woman. Neetu asks Gagan if Aishwarya sure that Mannat is her daughter. They are not look-alike. Everyone gets irritated by her question. Vikrant says that his face isn't similar to her, but he is her son, right? He leaves. From there, disappointed, Neetu and Roni are scared to hear. Vikrant is busy in the kitchen. He remembers the recent incidents one by one. He thinks that something is off. Mannat is hiding something from him which is connected to his wedding. Shruti comes there to help him. He asks her, doesn't Aishwarya donated her liver to Shruti? She admits that Aishwarya saved her life. Vikrant asks her if this surgery happened a day before his wedding. She nodded to him. Vikrant recalls the way Mannat demanded Mezbani shares from him, the way she chose money over him. The next day, she brought her mother to the house after the surgery. He finds out something and wishes to talk with Mannat. Immediately, Aniruddha thinks to call Mannat, but she says to him that she can't help him anymore. She doesn't want to take revenge on Aishwarya at all. He loses his cool hearing it. He suspects that Aishwarya would have said something to Mannat. Vikrant asks Mannat to meet him in private. Vikrant asks Mannat straight if she sacrificed her love to save Shruti's life. Aishwarya demanded her to leave Vikrant to donate her liver for Shruti. Vikrant apologized to her on his knees. Mannat asks him to get up. He feels ashamed for not understanding her pain and misunderstood her as a greedy woman. He blames himself for hurting her often. He was venting out his anger and pain on her, but fails to notice her pain. She apologized to him. He says that she wasn't wrong to choose her mom over his love. He's glad that she chose to save her mom. He would have done the same in her place. Both merged their head. He regrets for done a mistake. Mannat wished to reveal the truth to him that he was innocent, but Malika framed him. Vikrant says that he's going to free from this toxic relationship. This situation exposed Malika's true face to him. He can't live with a betrayer. Mannat thinks that he's taking a step to end this relationship, so she don't need to reveal the truth to him. Vikrant says that he feels relieved that Mannat didn't sold his love for money. She saved his broken heart. Aniruddh calls her to meet Asap. Kiran discussing with Soluja about Janmashtami celebrations. Aishwarya mingles with them. Aniruddha is determined to meet Aishwarya. Mannat tried to stop him. Aishwarya reacted seeing Aniruddha and frames him. There, Mannat is scared to meet him. Vikrant and Gagan protects her. Aishwarya hugs her and pretends like protecting her there. Aniruddha says that he's Mannat's father. No one can stop him from meeting his daughter. Mannat holds his collar and says that he hates her. She won't allow him to bully her mom again. He says that Aishwarya ruined his life. He didn't molested her. Mannat demands him to give a proof. Episode end.